Now, this same applies with every business owners, especially coaches. There are so many leadership coaches, communication coaches, career coaches, and blah 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 coaches. How can you become a dove in the market? People always remember the first person who climbed on the moon. People always remember the first person who has run 100 meters. So why Dove is not a soap? Why Dove is a beauty bar? Let me tell you the interesting story behind this. In 1950s, something around that time, many soap companies were trying to grab the attention of the users, or especially the men and women, and there was fierce fighting among the people, especially for the soap companies, to get into the market to capture the attention. And this, when Dove came, they gave this campaign to the greatest copywriter called David Ogilvy. And David Ogilvy is a good persuader, so he wrote the ad campaign. He doesn't want this Dove to be positioned as just another soap detergent for men or for regular users. He wanted to position this soap as a beauty bar for women, because David Ogilvy understands this concept, because the market is already crushed by the many soap companies. He wants to actually put this new idea into the market that Dove is not a soap, it's a beauty bar. And all of a sudden everyone's attention came on to this product. Okay, this is looks something new for us, let us try, because Dove is not a soap, it's a beauty bar. You can see in the behind, even though it's a soap, the positioning of this product has actually helped Dove to become successful after 40-50 years as well. Now, this same applies with every business owners, especially coaches. There are so many leadership coaches, communication coaches, career coaches, and blah 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 coaches. How can you become a Dove in the market? How can you be different in the market so that you'll get attention? Now, even though there are so many soaps, how can you manipulate your idea so that people will see you as a new opportunity? And this has been telling by many marketers. I don't know like how many marketers really know about the art of positioning, but everyone needs to know the art of positioning, because you need to, people always remember the first person who climbed on the moon. People always remember the first person who has run 100 meters. Same way, everyone remembers the first beauty bar. Of course, there came many other beauty bars that are competing with Dove, but Dove already captured that position. So if already there's a competitive market, you need to change that angle of people looking at your product. And if there is no market, you need to actually get into that market and claim that number one position. So this is the art of position. If you see, Coach Funnels is the number one and the only first sales funnels agency in India. There is no other sales funnel agency for coaches. We are the only one sales funnel agency for coaches. So that's the positioning that we have. So you need to also position yourself. If you are a coach, what is that advantage that you have, so that you can capture the attention from your audience. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. The art of positioning is very important. Make sure to subscribe, like, follow my videos so that you'll understand this kind of content which will help you to better position you and grow your business as well. I will see you in the next video.